in commercial buildings such as in malls, hospitals, offices, hotels, airports, warehouses. A large number of people either work or visit these places. Therefore, maintaining air quality is extremely important. How is air quality maintained in these commercial spaces? Let's analyze this. A typical air conditioning plant looks like this. Chiller supplies chilled water to the AHU. Return air from the building transfers its heat to the chilled water. And now, AHU supplies the cool air back to the building. This is a closed loop wherein the conditioned air keeps recirculating across the building. However, increased numbers of people, smoke, and other gases can increase the concentration of CO2, CO, and other particles in the indoor air. And this increased concentration of CO2, CO, and other particles can be bad for people. Therefore, a Fresh Air Unit FAU supplies fresh air to the AHU. How does this FAU work? A Volume Control Damper VCD is installed in the FAU. Actuator is mounted on this VCD shaft. The actuator takes a signal from the controller. The controller takes a signal from the CO2 sensor. This CO2 sensor is placed in the return line of the AHU. If CO2, CO concentration in the return line is high, the sensor sends a signal to the controller. The controller sends a signal to the actuator. The actuator fully opens up the VCD to allow fresh air to enter the AHU. Likewise, if CO2, CO concentration in the return line is low, the sensor sends a signal to the controller. The controller sends a signal to the actuator. The actuator keeps the VCD only partially open. The whole operation of maintaining the indoor air quality is automated. The smart HVAC works with commercial building owners to maintain the indoor air quality. Contact us now.